Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our photogrammetry course. Okay, so this week week 2, day 4 of our photogrammetry or 3D scanning program. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we learned about, let's see what we learned about. Learned about some applications and then when to use photogrammetry. In this particular lesson, we want to learn about some errors that you would encounter or you would get when or you would experience when using some photogrammetry softwares or app. Okay, so as you see here, you can see we don't have like a full image. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So now errors with transparent objects. Okay, photogrammetry doesn't work well with transparent objects. Okay, so you can see here this particular object. Okay, you can see well it's the final output. Okay, when we use Xperi to do that. So you can see with a solid one, you can see we have something, but because this is transparent, we didn't actually get a good result. Okay, so some people can have some hack around it, whether they put some kind of black objects or like circles or stickers. Okay, so stickers like round the stickers around or on the objects, and then I think the camera is able to capture this and then give you a form of it. I've seen a video of someone doing that kind of hack, but so I haven't experimented on that. You may want to try that on your own to see the output. Okay. Also, shiny objects. Okay, so photogrammetry doesn't work well with shiny objects. Okay, so you can see this particular bottle, metallic bottle, called the shiny surface. This was the output that we got. Okay, so it doesn't work well. And let's look at, okay, so this application, okay, changing vegetations and the like. Okay, so in unless so meaning there are a lot of factors, okay, that photogrammetry lesson, but in this particular lesson we are looking at just um, transparent and then shiny objects. Okay, so these are some kind of errors. There are a lot of errors that you would encounter or experience when using photogrammetry objects technology. Okay, so the distance also matters. Lights, lightning, dark environment, and the lights also matter in making sure your objects gets or you get the right output. Um, but for this particular lesson, we are looking at transparent and then shiny objects. Okay, so remember, if you are planning on doing something photogrammetry or 3D scanning on a transparent and then shiny surface, okay, remember it will be difficult to get the desired output or the required the desired outcome. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll talk about photogrammetry smart applications. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.